Amazon is a multinational technological company based in e-commerce, cloud computing and artificial intelligence. It was started in the beginning as an online bookstore, then diversified to sell video downloads and streaming MP3, audiobook, streaming software, food, toys and many more. Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world. The quickest way you can do to boost sales on Amazon is by hiring a third-party digital marketing company such as the one I am currently working with. Please click at the link in the description. We provide you with Amazon Marketing Plan, which instantly boosts the credibility and sales of products in Amazon. There's also package where you can buy photo editing service and optimize product listing with targeted keywords to attract customer attention and rank well in search engine result. Now you see the reputation of Amazon hold you be interested to sell your product but fail to boost sales there. Here's some of the best way you can do to boost your product sales on Amazon. Practice Amazon SEO on page optimization. Amazon mainly will consider the keywords in product title when ranking listings. You have 500 characters for the product, and while most people would put as many keywords hey possibly can, however if it does not match with what you are selling it will be useless. Reverse Amazon Standard Identification Number (ASIN) search is good strategy to use when you want to know which keywords generate the most sales for ASIN. You may use keyword research tools such as Selix and Keyword Inspector. You also can find high-volume keywords using tools such as Google Keyword Planner that are related to your products. You would want to use just related keywords because repeated words are not allowed in Amazon. Carry out competitor analysis. You should know before increasing sales about your competition. Competitor analysis should basically carried out before you list your products on Amazon. Review your competitors' products periodically to stay informed on their business's practices and promotional activities. Then you can read the customers' reviews and FAQ section on your competitors' page. You can find out their shortcomings where then you can add to your advantage to your product. Often check their products' updates and other content in their page including image and description. For pages with complementary products, find out which ones are doing better and if there is an opportunity to run a cross-promotion. Make your price and product more competitive. Amazon is highly competitive marketplace and you need for great reviews, a good description, good packaging and many more. You should need to ensure your product is the highest quality and sold at most competitive price possible. You can first try to make pricing more competitive without affecting your profits. Fact is that you can use intense price competition on Amazon Marketplace to determine which products are worth promoting and only sell products that offer a reasonable return while remaining competitively priced. Other than that, you can offer unique products on Amazon to remain competitive. Unique items can be offered at prices that guarantee the correct margin of profit for your needs. Invest in professional merchant subscription and automate your listings. This usually refers to anyone with large amount of different products to invest money in Pro subscription. Pro merchant subscription will provide you with excellent reporting options to ease you to manage products and sales on Amazon. You get more selling options including the possibility to list higher priced items for sale. Pro merchant subscription automate the process of product listing. You can spend more time on the business activities, customer engagement, marketing and business strategies. Drive external traffic. Improving sales outside of Amazon is another challenge entirely, but it is possible and will give a great return on investment if done right. Here are some of the best way to drive sales outside of Amazon. 1. Social media. You can share your product selling linking back to Amazon profile in Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. The best practice is in providing free giveaways to influencers that are willing to give free reviews or shout in their social media account. Try to reach out to as many influencer as you can because their response rate different and your request usually will get turned down most of the time. 2. eBay drop shippers. Most people do not know the benefit of drop shipping products from Amazon to eBay. We can take advantage from this to advertise coupon for a great eBay sellers, and other eBay sellers usually copy their listings and then your products can spread like wildfire on eBay. Hope this helps.